Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Hope you stay and enjoy the great content that I'll be posting. So from you see the title, you know what time it is. We're gonna do a market haul. For this week, the person that I normally order the market things them from, the person is not in the country, so I have to go down a market and purchase what me the purchase, right? I'm go down a market, right? I'm buy my things and my stuff, you know. Guess what? Me left the Anna banana down a market. See, that's why I just text and just order my things them because me don't know what happened to me, but it come like me don't know if I'm me alone this happened to, but me just easy if you forget things. Me don't know what the problem. Me just easy if you forget things. Me buy the things them, you know. Me tell you what me do. Me buy some of them. Me buy some of them from one lady, and then me mean like the carrot them or something. Me buy from one lady, and me say alright. One lady did the beside her. I sell banana, ripe banana. So me buy one and a ripe banana, and then me say, alright, I'm gonna make it something them stay right here, so I'm gonna lick down further in the market for buy like fruits, cause them never sell no fruit. I just see lady beside her, they sell a banana. And me say, alright, me put down my bag right here, so and put it on a banana beside my bag. Go down in a market and come back and only take up the bag and forget say I have the right banana right there, so. And me don't pay for it, no. Me don't pay for the right banana. But stick around. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified, okay? Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Minnie_Burrell. So let's get right into this video. Alright guys, so before I show now when I get to my market, I bought a blender because the last blender I have, me just stopped work. So I went in Bashko and I bought a blender. This is the blender that I bought, and it was for 6,300. So I get the blender here for 6,300 in a Bashko. My blender stop work, right? So right here I have a breadfruit, and the breadfruit here, how much you man say? Is it a $200 or $300? I pay for the breadfruit. I think a $200 for the breadfruit. So I get a breadfruit. Alright, so the budget that I was working with, my budget I did 12,500. 12,500 at my budget. I have one bag right here, so I got a melon. Hey guys, I remember how much I pay for everything. I get a melon. Alright, I think I remember. The melon, I market expensive. The melon, I get 1 dozen apple. Melon and 1 dozen apple at 3,700, I think. Because I said this a melon at 2.5. 2.5 for the melania, and the 1 dozen apple, I don't even remember, but I remember say everything I supposed to 3,700. 3,700 for 1 dozen apple and the melania, and I hope the melon sweet. I'm gonna carry back. 2.5 for this, you know? 2.5 for this. Remember, answer. And then I have 2 pineapple right here, so wait. 2 pineapple right here, so 2 pineapple of a $900. Yes, $900 for them 2 pineapple, yeah. things them expensive, people. I mean, I know if a mobile alone expensive. And you need to let me know in the comments below if a mobile market things expensive or right across the board, because me no know. Because the Melania a 2.5, I feel a whisper 2.5 for the Melania. Me no bother buy no grape, you know. Because I don't know why you're how much for grape. No, sir. So everything that I'm gonna show you right now, everything at £2, right? So £2 of sweet pepper, £2 of carrot, £2 tomato, £2 of pumpkin. Alright, we have garlic, £2 Irish potato, £2 of onion, and 2 bag of pak choi. I buy a bag of peas. Oh, this is 1 pound. 1 pound of cucumber, £2 sweet potato, £2 of cabbage, and I also get 1 dozen green banana and we get some scallion and thyme. So that is everything. And on the ear say I buy the Anna banana. So everything came up to, alright, so first when my order stuff them from the first lady, everything was $8,000. Then I go down in a market and I pay 3,700. Yeah, I pay 3,700. So 8,000 plus 3,700 is 11,700. So that did in my budget. Me save little money because my budget was 12,500. Right? So yeah, guys, when I check out everything, it wasn't 11,700. I have to drop in the video here if you're gonna know say it's actually $12,800 because me left out. Me remember say I buy the breadfruit and the pineapple separate from the other stuff them. So I spend $8,000 up at the lady. Then when I go in a market, I buy the breadfruit for $200. Then I go down a little further and buy the 2 pineapple for $900, and then me spend the 3,700. So when I check up everything, it's really $12,800 me spend, and my budget was 12,500. So you know, yeah, I have to drop in the video because I say no, sir. When I check up everything, it's like I never remember, so I buy the breadfruit and the pineapple separate. So guys, everything is $12,800 me spend in total. Yeah, those are my market things. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack out. Let me know in the comments how much you spend a market, a month time, a week time, or I don't know on the shop. Just let me know in the comments if I only mobile alone expensive or everywhere else expensive, especially with the market things them, because God know I can't believe say melon at 2.5. No sir, I can't believe say melon at 2.5, people. But it was a good buy. Let me know in the comments if it worth the 11,700 or if it's not worth it. But just let me know in the comments below. And yeah, this, and from my last video, if you haven't watched my last video, go ahead and watch the last video, because trust me guys, when you make me feel good, I'm a thank you for the encouraging words, and you know, it really motivate me to keep pushing and pushing and pushing. So as I say, I'm not gonna give up. I really thank you again for, you know, keep me motivated, because I was just about to give up, but I'm not gonna give up. So thank you guys again, and it make me feel good. I love you. Thank you guys for the support. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, watch the video, them comment, like, share, and all of them zoom there. Okay, and stay with me. All right, so all right guys, today is Sunday. I finished cook regular rice and peas and chicken, vegetable, and now I'm gonna blend up some plum and pineapple juice. I'm gonna open this blender and we just go whip up something quick and fast so we can have it with the Sunday dinner. All right, so stay tuned. I already cut up my plum, and I already cut up my pine, and I have my ginger on the side. So yeah, let's go. All right, so this is how the blender looks. You know, when I done blend up your spirited juice, see the cover right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend up what I'm gonna blend up. All right, so these are my plums. I cut them up. I use 6 plum, and then I have my pineapple. I have my pineapple right here, so, and my little piece of ginger. I don't want enough ginger in this, so yeah. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did one by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that they're both. Like the Baba fly, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, 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 shadow. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, 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 shadow. Alright guys, so I did kind of break because some PMP people did come, and you know me talk to them about voting and all of that. But anyways, this is my juice. This is my June plum and pineapple juice with a little bit of ginger. So refreshing, tastes nice. I'm not tasty. Anyways, right now I'm gonna eat some dinner and just chill and relax with the kids and all of that. So guys, yeah, that's about it for today. Okay, yeah, and yeah, this is the end of the video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified. Okay, and stay with me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.